guys, it's early morning. The time is by 8 a.m. and see Aileen. Say hi. So guys, we are standing outside the bus. This is the bus which will be taking us to Zlatibor, and now I'll show you the journey. This is the first day of conference and we'll reach by 2, and from 2 the conference will start. So let's see. We'll catch you up there. Okay. Guys, say hi. Aileen, say hi. Vanchika, say hi. Chinese, say hi. Rangoli, say hi. Hi. Okay guys, so we'll be updating you in the when the journey starts. Bye bye.
Guys, so on the way we have stopped somewhere like in the middle, and we have like 1.5 hours more to reach Zlatibor. So we have stopped in the middle to just freshen up and all. So it's just around here, and we all go into this a cafe here. So I'll show you the inside of the cafe where we are dining. Okay.
So guys, basically the journey has been smooth until now. We have stopped. This is the second time we are stopping. For the first time, the bus has stopped for the
Just 5
fueling.
minutes.
Yeah, for 5 minutes, and that time it
We
was
just
like
had
around.
to use some restroom.
Yeah.
Then we just bought like just fastly some little grab something. That's it.
So like that was for 5 minutes. We just went to the washroom and came back. It was just for fueling.
Yeah.
And now we have halt for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
After this, now we will be we are around 1.5 hours away from Zlatibor.
Yeah.
And after reaching there, we will show you where is our residence will be there for 3 days, and how everything will be there.
And we also
right now it's 11:55.
Yeah.
And after reaching there, we have our lecture by 3:30. First English lecture. So we will be reaching by around 2. So we will still have 1.5 hours to get freshen up, get dressed up, and then we will go there. So we still don't know what about the lunch we will do.
No, actually they were telling in the itinerary that they will be providing us lunch. Our breakfast and lunch is free through this app's organization, and the dinner and the accommodation are the things which are upon the students. So let's see, after reaching there we'll show you guys how we're gonna get our lunch, or how our classes are gonna be, and how we're gonna get ready for our first day conference. Let's see, we'll follow up you guys with more videos. So stay tuned with us.
Basically, very sleepy, but basically the thing is I am very much habitual to Indian highways now, that these highways are so safe that I slept.
Yeah, that's right. So, let's see you guys with more coming up with the first day of conference videos.
Guys, the time is over almost, and we will be leaving now. And it's raining all over. So it will be 1.5 hours from now onwards. So we'll be reaching by 2, as I told earlier. And the teachers also have boarded the bus. So I didn't tell you that we are having some teachers, some professors, some doctors, and the other heads of the APPS, the community which we are going. So yeah, this was a nice place actually. I had a nice cappuccino after a long time. It was very good, nicely brewed. So I'll catch you up after reaching to Zlatibor. Okay guys, bye bye.
So guys, we are after boarding out of the bus. We are just going to our apartment, like the accommodation basically where we booked. It's near almost our hotel Zlatibor where our conference is happening. So yeah, this is a place like this. Say hi guys. So like this, yeah. we will be showing you our accommodation place. So these all are like different accommodation areas where people do come like for conferences or like some holidays. In Slativor people do stay here. So here Kapoor is also making some videos. Hello.
Damn boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick ass boy!
पर आई बटन में कर दूंगा पिन.
Same here.
पीछे भी दो हमारे कप्तान का. चलो चलते हैं आगे.
Hey, careful. So people, it's very beautiful, guys. I don't know how much my camera can, show you guys, but in reality, it's so beautiful. Sorry for the disturbance of our luggage bags, like scrolling through the road. But yeah, see. So
guys, so we are in the conference and see, I got my ID card and they are saying that we won't be able to enter without this.
So yeah, we also got this ID card. On each ID card, we have our own names and we have to sign and we have to give our email ID and we get a bag like this also, which is provided by the apps.
What all things you are getting in this?
We are actually getting a pamphlets of a pamphlet like this, then an itinerary of our 3 days, then some things like a mug we get, a mug, see, then some products like cosmetic products like hand creams, some like what to say, some shampoos and everything. So it's good. It's their welcoming gift for us. So yeah, we are here and we will be starting. Sorry. That's okay. So we will be starting our conference in coming 15 minutes. So we'll show you guys how it is done inside and all. So come with me.
So guys, how are you liking the conference? Nice coffee.
Nice.
Nice coffee. And Cheta, how is it?
It's very nice.
It's very nice. How about you?
All good. I like it.
कपूर कॉन्फ्रेंस कैसी है?
कॉफी अच्छी है. कॉफी कैसी है ये बताओ.
So guys, basically it is our first conference, so we don't know what to do. We are just going to the people until now who are here, like who are, yeah, so like schedule, actually she read the schedule, I didn't.
Yes, but
So she is telling me what to do, and I'm trying to talk to other people, like from there. Some students are from other universities, some professors are there, some people from pharma, companies are there. So I'm trying to talk to them. So let's see. I'll try to record everything, but if it gets hectic, I'm sorry, guys.
Types related or unrelated, and also you can divide related into two major groups: match related.
So this is where we have our conference. Now just after some lectures like by the different doctors, actually we had a lecture from a doctor from Turkey and that was so good. We had a good time there, and this is our Slativor hotel. I can show you. It's just going like this. Yes, now we're gonna have food. They have arranged food for us, for the breakfast and lunch. But for the dinner, we are spending for us. That's how it is, and we'll show you around also, guys. So now we are going for dinner, and yeah, I can see some restaurants here. So let's see. So as I'm wearing heels, guys, I'm walking a little slow. So yeah, let's go.
This is the nearby lake. We have some pizza places. There is some bubble tea. Ronak and Aileen are here, and my other friends have gone to home to change, and we were not willing to. This is the lake. There is no water today. I don't know why, but they have this nice heart-shaped thingy they have put, like projected on the streets. I have clicked on photo. I'll show you. So, guys, what's the plan? What to eat? What to drink?
So we are looking around like where we can go and eat. So that is our hotel, which we had our like the meeting.
Yes, that is Hotel Zlatibor.
There we walked till here, and we are looking for restaurants where we can go and have a dinner.
Okay, then let's see what we'll eat. So guys, conference first day got over. We had a lecture in the evening. That person came from Turkey, and they were talking about like gene therapy. So we just had that. We had some questions. Then afterwards we discussed it, and then we got free. And now we are roaming around in Zlatibor nearby the lake. I'll show you. So guys, the thing is like it is off season in Zlatibor right now. So most of the things are like shops are closed and restaurants. We thought that first day let's buy something cheap. So basically we found next to the lake there is a restaurant which is known as this restaurant Gurman, and we came here. So let's see, the vibe is so good inside. I'll show you now. Babies, get aside. Thank you. This is how authentic Serbian restaurant looks like. See the vibe, so good. 1 second, I have to close the door. See, this is the bar, and here me, Ronak and Aileen are sitting. So guys, is it too much expensive or something?
Yeah, kind of expensive for the Serbians. It is different, and like for the
सर्बियन बर्गर 300 ग्राम 1300